Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So is this the sell-off that we've been waiting for on the index market? We've seen the S&P and the Nasdaq hitting a 4-day losing streak so far, and this is coming on the back of a weakened expected consumer confidence. Are we just seeing a little bit more of a pullback on stocks, as well as we're seeing that Nvidia is expected to have a little bit more of a downturn as well? We've seen Tesla have quite a dramatic sell-off as well, losing 8% in the last few sessions. So if we look on the daily chart on the S&P, for example, we're seeing now this 4-day losing streak. As of today, we're seeing a bit of a decline as well. So we've broken through the 6,000 area, which is quite important, because any big psychological levels that do get broken to the upside or downside, we have to take note and see if there's going to be a wider sell-off, a more dramatic move in the market. So at the moment, it's not really anything to worry about. We did have this record peak not so long ago, just above 6,100, but now we're trading below 6,000 and actually touching the lower regions of 5,900. So a couple of hundred points being wiped off in a few short sessions. We'll just have to wait and see if we do get any more of a subdued outlook for the indices. But this was always going to happen. We just have to see how dramatically it's going to happen, because obviously we've had sell-offs before, corrections to the downside, but as you can see here, they've been ignored, like the recent one that in one day we saw over a couple of hundred points being wiped off, and we were trading towards the mid region of the 5,800 area. But since then, as you can see, very nice bullish turn. So could this just be a slight correction? As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 in recent sessions before we have another push higher. Obviously we'll have to wait and see, but with the Fed being hesitant, with Donald Trump coming out with new announcements, we'll have to hold our breath for the next big move in the market. But intraday wise, we're just seeing that price action, as I said, is floating now around 5,900. That could give a strong indication if we're going to start moving a bit lower. We're seeing these other bottom levels below just above 5,800, and we'll see if that's going to have any detrimental impact in the stocks as well. So let's just take a quick look on the Nasdaq, because it's in the same kind of scenario. If you look on intraday as well, we won't go daily chart because, like I said, it's had a 4th daily losing streak. But as you can see here, very bearish movement in the market here, and the RSI is really in the oversold area. So we could be seeing a slight uptick unless a bullish divergence does come about. If this does have a slight uptick, we could see price action move a bit higher as well. So are we at the bottom of this big dramatic sell-off? Obviously 21,000 is the psychological area for the Nasdaq, which we are just touching and bouncing off away from it. So it is for bulls, it is a little bit of a reprieve. You could say we are looking for a move higher, but we'll have to see if the 21,000 area is going to be really affected in the near term. So these are the main talking points of the day. The stocks and indices I'll be watching today for sure, because they have been flying quite dramatically. So good opportunities there, whether you are buying or selling, and we'll see what tomorrow brings and for the rest of the week as well. So thank you very much for joining me once again on this Market Insights video, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.